This video suggests the best foods and supplements that reverse liver damages due to alcoholic symptoms. Subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any daily healthcare tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos. How does alcohol affect the liver? Your habit of alcohol intake can be harmful to your liver. Alcohol is a toxin and it can scar the tissues of your liver. Over a long period of time, the healthy tissues of the liver will turn into scar tissue and the liver will totally fail to regenerate. Liver damage due to alcohol symptoms must not be ignored, and you must keep following a natural process of eliminating harmful substances from the body. The procedure to get rid of toxins in alcohol presence is called detoxification, and it is important to fight with the symptoms of liver damage due to alcohol. Because when the efficiency of your liver gets affected, you have to compromise with your overall health. People of all age groups try natural supplements for liver damage due to alcohol because natural remedies are side effect free and let us gain the benefits of maintaining the overall health. Most common liver damage due to alcohol symptoms. The daily wear and tear in your body are handled by your liver, and if you have a habit of excessive alcohol intake, then you must try the natural pills for liver damage due to alcohol. According to experts, natural supplements for liver damage due to alcohol must be started at the early stages to attain the fastest recovery. Try taking some herbal remedies when you experience any of the below-mentioned symptoms of liver damage due to alcohol: swelling and abdominal pain, vomit and nausea, loss of appetite, diarrhea, itchy skin and fever. A healthy liver is vital for enhanced energy levels. So, whenever you feel there is a problem in your productivity levels and you are dealing with fatigue, then try to spot any of this liver damage due to alcohol symptoms. Best foods during liver damage due to alcohol. When the liver is getting damaged due to excessive toxin present in the body, you need to find out some foods that are good for the liver. For detoxifying the liver, try these best foods during liver damage due to alcohol: whole grains, leafy vegetables and citrus fruits, proteins, easily digestible fats, fruits that are rich in antioxidants. Nutrient-rich food is a must for protecting the liver's ability to regenerate. An easy method to detoxify the liver and fight with the liver damage due to alcohol symptoms is to take herbal liver detoxification supplements. Best natural supplements for liver damage due to alcohol. Toxin buildup and alcoholism can affect the liver's performance. Hence, people suffering from alcoholic liver disease should try the easiest remedy to detox the entire body at home. Formulated from rich herbs and ingredients like pitta, chitrak, vaviding, punarnava, amla, himsara and kansi, Livoxil capsules is an amazingly beneficial pill for symptoms of liver damage due to alcohol. From the slightest discomfort to the severe liver damage due to alcohol symptoms, everything can be treated with Livoxil capsules, which are the best supplement for liver damage due to alcohol. The pills are 100% natural and totally free from side effects, so taking them even for a prolonged duration is also completely safe. World's finest liver health supplements. %100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence. Buy Livoxil capsules at naturogain.com. If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Do you have any health queries? If you have any questions or need further information, please don't hesitate to contact us. Feel free to email your queries at remediesofyoush@gmail.com or simply post your queries right here in the comment area. Press the bell on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related videos for more information and health tips.